Hey folks, it's Monday morning and you guys are used to seeing a project video. I am actually working on a project right now, but everything that's going on, in case you guys haven't heard, Dad is not doing well. He's in the hospital with COVID, and it's rough, really a rough time right now. So I will have a video. I'm hoping that if everything goes right, I will have a video, a project video for you guys on Wednesday. Probably no video tomorrow. And again, we could use your prayers when it comes to Dad. Vicky and I are fine. Just kind of a rough time over here. So anyway, thanks so much. Again, I apologize, but I will get back on track as far as these, as our project videos and sign carvers of the day and that kind of thing. We'll get back into the swing. So please be patient with us. Thank you so much. We love you all. We'll see you on Wednesday. Bye-bye.